Hello there, gardening friends. Today I'm going to go ahead and put my garden to bed for the winter. Well, it looks like fall is here. Not too many more leaves need to fall from this tree. So, time to start getting the garden bed ready for fall, for winter. I put some bark chips over here, and the coral bells seem to come up through it okay. We've had several days in the 20s at night. I don't usually do too much over here. Whatever preparation you make for your garden bed is mostly up to you. I can go through and cut down these blooms on the hostas, but most everything else will just go to the ground when we have a couple hard freezes. Over here in this flower bed where everything is all at different heights, I do a lot of times go through and cut things down, and I put down a lot of wood chips this year that I don't usually. I don't think a lot of it makes any difference. I kind of cut it down to the ground, but I think probably just as well for the plants whether you did or whether you didn't. And a lot of plants, if they have seeds or something that the birds eat, the birds would probably like it if you left those up. But a lot of times I just cut it down. And this year I also put down a lot of wood chips. I don't think that's going to hurt anything, but we'll find out. And we've had several nights in the 20s. But we'll see how that makes it. A lot of the plants here that I put the wood chips down have grown up through. So they must be still growing a little bit this time of year. Basically all I do for winterize my garden is just cut things down level like they are right in through here. I actually put down a lot of wood chips over here for the hostas. One of the things I do like to make sure that I do in the fall is make sure there's no bare dirt in any of the flower beds that isn't covered. Here, where we had the hibiscus, I cut it down because the stems from last year will die off over the winter, and new ones come up from the roots. And then I just covered them up with wood chips. And the same with this rose I transplanted over here in the fall. I just cut it down about like that, and then covered it over with wood chips. Covering it over with wood chips, hopefully, I think will protect the ground and the plant from all the alternate freezing and thawing that we have in the wintertime. Because we might have some days in the winter as high as even 50, or other nights as low as 20 below at the most. I don't think it's ever got below or any colder than 20 below. But I put away the hose for the winter because the pipe will freeze up if you don't take the hose off. So I just fill the bird bath with a juice can. So that's about it for what I do for my garden in the wintertime. It's just cut things down if I want to. And the hostas, they'll fall down eventually after a few freezes. But I don't think it makes any difference what you do. I just more or less cut things down because it looks better out here in the front yard. Things aren't all at different heights. And I do think that the wood chips help the plants in the spring and the following years. And it's especially good not to have any bare dirt in your garden. So that's it. And thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.